makes this episode so special, the star of One Tree Hill, Chad Michael Murray. Welcome, Chad. Great to have you.
Well, thank you for having me.
So this episode coming up on Monday is a little unique. It's a little special. Can you tell us a little about that? So cool.
And I have to admit, over the past 6 years, this was the most fun I've ever had.
Really? Why is that?
Just all the family relationship we kind of have on our little crew down in Wilmington, North Carolina, really played out. You know, everyone was there to watch my back and help me out and make it better. And it was an amazing time.
Yeah, well, I imagine after, what is this, 6 years together now that you guys have spent, the bonds run pretty tight down there.
Yeah, I mean, you know, it really is like a family situation. You know, it's a messed up family, but it's a good family.
But aren't they all? Aren't they all?
Yeah.
We talked about this a little earlier. I think it's so cool that here you are, such a young man, under 30, and you've not only starred in this show, but you've also written episodes, and now you're making your directorial debut. You don't hear that a lot, especially not with somebody as young as you. Tell us a little bit how that came about.
Well, you know, the writing was an opportunity that I've talked to Mark over the previous years saying, you know, I really want to write, I've got a great concept for this or that. And ultimately what I did is I said, you know what, I'm just going to do it. Nothing may come of it. So I just wrote a script.
Right.
I wrote an episode of something I wanted to do, and I sent it to him.
Smart.
Without, you know, just not giving them really any excuses, to be honest.
And they loved it, right?
And they loved it. They really did. They read it and said, you know what, this is great. This will be fun. Let's do it. And so we went from there. We just worked on it a little bit more and got it to where it needed to be and shot it. And I'm really proud of it. It was
now the leap to director. They said you're so good at writing and acting. There's nothing left but directing for you.
I wanted to make the best out of this year. I mean, the show may be coming to an end, and I really wanted to feel like I did it all on this show. Not everything in the career-wise, but I mean, got the most out of One Tree Hill as I possibly could, and it was the best. It really was.
I think you can check it all off after this. Let's talk about Lucas. Okay, so he's just found out that he's going to become a father, and hasn't had the easiest childhood with his dad and everything. How do you feel about that? And is it kind of ironic for you since you have such a strong relationship with your dad? How is that for you to play that?
I love my dad. My dad's he's a good man. He really is. This Christmas actually made a big spaghetti dinner for me, myself, my family, and a bunch of our friends. There were 16 of us. Oh, no. People come from all around the country, my friends, to come eat his pasta at Christmas time. And
wow. You're very lucky. My dad, not so much.
So we've had 16 of us, great man, and I think Luke will ultimately be very much like his Uncle Keith from the earlier years in the show, and he had a great mentor and great parents to follow their paths. So I think he'll be a good dad.
Okay, that's good to know.
Or he'll get hit by a bus, and that'll be the end of the season, and the baby will live without him.
Let's hope that doesn't happen.
I don't know.
But with the show, you never know, right? James Van Der Beek, you guys work together on Dawson's Creek. You've had him on the show recently, and I heard that he might be coming back. Can you tell us a little bit about what it's like to work with him?
James is, he's a consummate professional. He's incredible. I love working with James. It's actually really nice because he brings a whole new flavor to the show, and his character is just insane and crazy and fun, and he's constantly making us laugh, and we could sit back and have great, really deep conversations. And he's got, I know his wife a little bit, and he's got a fantastic wife, he's just a great guy. I like having him around, so I hope that his storyline gets larger and larger and larger.
Okay, well, now you're director, so you're going to be making those calls, you know? Thank you so much, Chad, for coming in. We'll be watching. You can catch all new episodes of One Tree Hill Mondays at 9/8 Central on the CW Network.